Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO View GO, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using the home screen right here as an example for this, but you can open up any kind of application for this as well. So once it's open and visible, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down. It also gives us the pop-up right here that we can capture it with a 3-finger swipe down, which is nice, but also gives us another pop-up that we can swipe up to delete it or swipe down to save. So save it like so, and as you can see, let's try that again just so you can see. If you hold it, it captures it like this. And you can also do it with 3 fingers, apparently, if it actually works. For some reason we need to turn it on even though it gave us a pop-up. So you can do that if you want to. So 3-finger screenshot right over here, and now we should be able to do it. And there we go. Same as before, swipe down to save it. Now whatever screenshots you have captured, you can find them all in your photo gallery. As you can see, there it is. So there are the screenshots. For some reason there's only 2 out of like 3 that we have captured, but oh well. So anyway, that is how you capture them and where you can find them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.